How's it going, YouTube? I don't know what it was about this week, but I just felt like buying a bunch of drill bits, I guess. Nothing really too crazy, but start off. This is the only ones I didn't get from Harbor Freight. Just some plain old spade bits. I only got these because for my drill press, it's these Diablos don't work in there because they got that tip. Learned that the hard way, but yeah, nothing special there. Nothing special here either. This auger drill bit set. I didn't have any of them, so felt like grabbing them. Now these are new from Harbor Freight. They had a Forstner bit set, but they clearanced it, and they got these now. The Warrior brand. They're like $36, 37, something like that. 16 piece. They copied the Irwin case. Looks just like this, but blue. Because I almost bought those. That's the only reason I know that. Goes from 1/4 inch to 2 1/8. That's a big Forstner bit. I've tried these before. They're not the best Forstner, but they do the job. And for someone that don't use them all the time, they're a good purchase. Alright. Got these were on sale. The Brad Point for like $12. If you don't know what these are, I got the sharp point on the end. They're good for wood, pretty much just wood. So you won't you won't get out of line. It'll drill exactly where you put it and it won't skate. Those are handy to have. And I got these too. Done opened them, but they're center countersink drill bits. I want to show you what these do. These are really good for well, I'll show you. They'd be better in a drill press, but this will be quicker. They're good for countersinking. So if you gotta put a screw down the hole, they're great for that. Now that I made a mess, I'm gonna show you the cool stuff. Let's see. The Cobalt high-speed steel drill bit set. If you don't know what Cobalt drill bits are, they're pretty much the strongest metal they make them out of. I haven't tried these yet, but they're just a different color too. You know it when you see them. Because I already had the titanium ones, titanium coated, and I was impressed with how they did, so I'll do a follow-up after I try them. They'll be really good for drilling in metal. Last but not least, the Cobalt step drill bit set. Let's see if I can get these open. Well, that's dead. That was pointless. Alright, not gonna lie, that took a few minutes to open. Let's check these out. They got the spiral, double spiral fluted design. And they just look nice. And for y'all, they were $40. So for you people out there that are going to go stick them in your pocket and walk out the door, they got the anti-theft device in them. I know y'all are out there too, because I see you at the flea market with your stuff. But anyways, compare it to a Drill Master, and it just looks nice. Project Farm did a video on these, comparing them, testing them. They do pretty well, drilling through hard stuff. Nice sharp tip. Yeah, so that's all I got for this boring drill bit video, but subscribe.